Guys, what's up and welcome back to 30 days of pouring into ourselves. No, I'm not dressed for the weather because one thing about me, when I'm in my house, I'm gonna dress how I want. If I wake up and I'm like, I'm feeling we're in Maui today, like that's what you're gonna get. It doesn't matter what outside looks like because I keep my space, at like one temperature. But anyways, how are you? Happy Sunday to you. It's day 28, technically 29, but 28, because y'all already know if you saw my post. I'm feeling away. There's literally no tears, but yeah, yesterday was just super emotional, and this is a 30-day affirmation challenge, a no excuse day, a no excuse way to make more time for you every single day. And yesterday, instead of doing this, I did my normal practices that I do, and I ended up making music. Y'all gonna thank me for it though, because it sounds great. But I hadn't did that in a long time, and I just needed that release. So I'm glad that in some way, shape, or form, I still made time for me. Did you make time for you yesterday? That's the real question. Did you do any affirmations yesterday? That's the real question. If you don't have these videos posted, are you gonna still do it? Yes or no? Like that's what I want to know. But anyways, let's jump into the song of the day. This is something I've been listening to for like the past month and a half, 2 months, and I was just like, you know what, let me share it, because I don't think I've shared it. I think I've shared one of his songs before. But anyways, before I digress and go on a tangent, picking your brain for the day, I want to know, what are you releasing under this full moon? Because last night was a full moon, but we still have that energy. So what are you releasing? What are you claiming? Don't forget to call back your energy every single night you go to sleep. Call back your energy to yourself. And if you don't want to answer that question of what you're releasing because it's personal, that is completely fine. I want to know, what is something insightful that you've learned from an experience that has brought you wisdom? Just any experience that comes to mind right now when we're speaking. I want to know what's something that you've learned, and now, like, with the in hindsight, like what you've learned, how you could have done better, or just in general, like how you're accepting it or moving forward. But that's my question for the day for you. Moving into our affirmations. Okay, are you ready? Take 3 deep breaths, and on the third one, it's going to be the biggest, deepest breath you've taken all day long. Okay, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take this one deep, deep, deep. Inhale and exhale. I am wise, intuitive, and connected to my inner guidance. I trust my intuition always. I trust my intuition always. I seek to understand and learn from my life experiences. I am connected to my higher power. I am allowing things to flow, even when they do not feel like things are going my way. In every situation, I see a seed for opportunity and growth. I am a present observer in my life. I open myself to new energy and experience. Seeing and understanding the bigger picture comes naturally to me. I move in the energy of ease and abundance. My imagination is vivid and powerful. I nurture my spirit and tend to its needs. I nurture my spirit and tend to its needs. My third eye sees all. I honor my intuition and use it as a guide. I honor my intuition and use it as a guide. I recognize that it is not my job to serve the ego that lives inside. I recognize that it is not my job to serve the ego that lives inside. I know that the answer always lies within me. And whenever I ask for help, it shows up. And whenever I ask for help, it shows up. It's like magic. I am the source of my truth. And allow it to flow to me. Whenever I'm in doubt, I listen to my intuition. I am tending to my needs every single day. I am listening to my body as it sends signals. I see all things in clarity. I am open to the wisdom within. This one we're going to say 3 times. I release and forgive my past. I release and forgive my past. Last time. I release and forgive my past. I understand that the present grants me so much love and light. I am connected with my path and purpose. I am walking in my power. One more time. I am walking in my power. I am now using my intuition and insight without fear, doubt, or delusion. I am rooted in truth and wholeness. And everything that I do turns to gold. I open myself to seeing new possibilities. that align with my spirit. I am a loving soul in a human body. I am an extension of the universe and an expression of the divine. Let me say that one more time. I am an extension of the universe and an expression of the divine. Thank you guys for taking some time and spending it with me today. Oh my gosh, I'm so blessed. Woo! But I look forward to finishing out this challenge strong with you guys. And let me know, make sure you like this video if you want us to do this again. If you want us to be on the same 30-day journey and see how your life transforms and your dreams manifest.